He has not yet today, no. Okay. Yeah, he's busy. Alright, let's get this. I've been trying to get this build done for 2 days. I got 2 of these exact same computers to build. Let's go ahead and get this all updated. i7-12700F build. That's good to hear. Alright. We're going to put this out on Twitter. Oh, I gotta start playing D&D again. I DM for a bunch of people. Oh, I see it, yep. Alright, this is 1. I think I'm gonna do this the same way that I just did that one. And do all the fan management first. And then after the fan management is all in place, come back and do the power supply cable management last. It's gonna be a good, like, mid-range gaming PC from Intel. Can handle literally any, like, current AAA stuff at 60 FPS. I'm not gonna do 4K so great, but customers not really doing 4K. I say that it'll do it well enough. I don't really see any issues with this thing running 4K at all. It's more of like a 1440 1080 kind of guy for sure. Alright, so it's going to be a front mount. This guy's going to be mounted like so. Just need to verify very quickly that this thing actually fits. It should. Because it's, you know, Corsair product going to a Corsair product, but never can be too safe. Alright, yep, we are kosher. Alright, so have it the way I have it. And these are all going to be draw across, so we're going to be pulling cool air across the radiator. And my big thing I'm curious about with this is going to be whether both of these machines perform identically. The way in my head they should. Because they are identical components. I am very curious to see if indeed they actually have the exact same specs. So we'll run 2 Cinebenches on them. We'll run 2 Furmarks on them. I'm going to run 2 Time Spies on them. We're going to find out. That's for sure. Now these coolers that I'm going to be putting in both of these machines are 100% overkill for what this is going to be, but the person who's buying them said he wants to get into like computer overclocking and stuff with their kids, so this gives them the freedom to do that without coming close to the thermal overhead of what this can do. So it should definitely be good. There is no RGB, so that over time, if they want to integrate RGB into this, they'll be able to. And they'll be able to like have that as like an upgrade path for them, so that these things will be able to constantly feel like a little fresh. Let's see where I can go with these. There is system fan there. There's a system fan over here, and there's a system fan over here, and then down there, and over there. I wonder if that's open. If that is open, I'm going to run one of these. Oh, this away. Ow. I don't think there's anything back here. Definitely something back there. This is pretty open. I just gotta thread the needle. This has got to stay over on this side. There we go. Look at that. And the rest of this cable will get tucked away. That's just going to be a pain in the butt if they ever want to replace that fan. But definitely keeps that wire hidden, that's for sure. Power supply. What do we need for this thing? We need maximum power. So what do we got? We got PCIe. How many did I check to see how many this requires? It requires 2. So I can actually get away with a single PCIe connector on this, because it's not a super high-end card. So this can go back in the box. Motherboard power. PCIe. One SATA. And did I say I needed 2 CPUs or 1 CPU? Where's the other one? 2 CPUs. All right. All right, moment of truth. Very minimal. Looks somewhat clean. I like it. We got our just very centralized RGB. Eventually, if they want to upgrade the RGB up to the outside, they can do that. Like, what is the point of this? It's not even. All right. Yeah, I like the idea. Like I said, the idea behind this is like it's like Millennium Falcon. Like it's not like super flashy, but it's a 3070 with a it's a 3070 with an i7. It's fine. Hey, thanks for watching that video. You can check out some of the other videos for more tech-related content. And if you want to catch me live, I am on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance, Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So come hang out, chat, and maybe learn a thing or two.